We are a worldwide corporation consolidated in 1958 as railroad car manufacturing. We are a leading supplier of transportation equipment and services to the railroad industries in North America. We currently operate in Europe, Mexico, Brazil, and the US with more than 10,000 team members. Our success in Mexico started in 1998 as Greenbrier put down roots in Sahagún through a joint venture with Bombardier called Gunderson Concoril, and which became its flagship facility. Our first project was 1,100 gondola cars for TFM, Kansas City Southern de Mexico. This achievement opened the doors to our key product, the boxcar for TTX. In the year 2000, we added an articulated car, the Automax for BNSF and Kansas City Southern, along with the Husky for TTX. This is how Gunderson Concoril enjoyed great prestige and consolidated as a highly regarded brand. The following years were difficult for the global economy, but in 2003, the boxcar production reactivated and began manufacturing the Maxi, a 5-unit articulated double-stack car that carries intermodal containers. Gunderson Concoril partnership ends in 2005, and Greenbrier becomes Bombardier's customer and rents facilities as well as personnel. The refrigerator car or reefer car for Cryotrans Company became the first one under this new concept. We also created a hopper car prototype, opening a whole new market of which we remain standing leaders. In 2007, the Automax 2 was introduced, and YSD Doors, a door manufacturing workshop for the boxcar, was born. Gunderson Gimsa is also launched in Monclova. In 2008, we joined the railroad repair business with Automax and a hopper car designed for cement. These significant events contributed to Alejandro Centurion and Bill Furman supporting the purchase, remodeling, and equipping of Komatsu facilities, which had been abandoned until then. Plant number 2 opened, and a new chapter was successfully written with the creation of the first undercarriage for Gunderson Concoril in June 2010. Simultaneously, activities at the first plant started up again. Line 4 produced more than 1,200 hoppers between sand and grain. In 2012, gondola car comes back as a synonym of success, as it is the first car fabricated at plant number 2 in its entirety. We also made the list of the 50 most avant-garde infrastructure and diligent corporations. In 2013, we introduced the Multimax, a majestic 89-feet-long rail car for transporting autos, featuring several configurations of storage levels. The company hit a sales record of 4,747 units, working simultaneously with 5 production lines, all of them with different products. Then, in 2014, the Autoflex was manufactured for Union Pacific. We furnished Midwest Railcar with gondola car special order and launched the plastic pallet hopper railcar with 6,250 cubic feet capacity and lining inner coating using epoxy paint. A third plant was opened in Tlaxcala the same year, being our gondola car the first to be manufactured. The transition towards a world-class culture initiated in 2015. The Greenbrier manufacturing system happened, and 7,156 units were produced. Once again, we had outstanding numbers by selling 8,006 units at the close of the fiscal year. In 2016, 7,918 units were delivered. We brought Andon system to speed up the reply process to our operational staff's inquiries on security, tool quality, maintenance, and supplies matters. We also developed manufacturer equipment that year, being Total Productive Maintenance, our work philosophy, and Chronos system made our personal management automation possible. In 2017, We received TTX's High Quality SECO Award, and Greenbrier became the only corporation to hold that record for the 23rd time. The Welding Excellence Program was implemented. The welder applies the welding under the CACI methodology. That means clean apply, clean inspect. Finishes proud of his work, marking with his ID number the welding. In Greenbrier, the quality is a habit based on inspection. We launched the Zero Tolerance Program to promote prevention of accidents, designed to protect the most important Greenbrier asset, our people. I don't tolerate unsafe conditions. I don't tolerate unsafe acts. Simultaneously, the Red Vest strategy was implemented, focused on identifying unsafe conditions and behaviors. As a complement, a safety comic was developed, allowing us to reinforce the program, enhancing safe behaviors inside and outside the plant. We started the first generation of engineers in development, giving the opportunity to fresh graduates to gain experience and contribute with their talent. On our way to excellence, we started the 4DX program. We closed the 2017 fiscal year with a total of 6,401 cars delivered, number way above budget. Nowadays, we employ more than 3,800 people, producing 41 units per day, 8 60-feet boxcar, 4 flat cars, 4 Huskies, 3 aggregate hoppers, 10 Multimax in Plant 2, 4 plastic pallet, 5 gondolas, and 3 waste flat cars in Plant 3. Our quality and processes are certified by the ISO 9001, Standard M1003 of the Association of American Railroads, AAR, who also certifies us as a workshop of axles and wheels, repair shop, and as a manufacturer of doors for boxcar. Also certified by TTX Client, who in his last audit qualified us with 95.2 and 0 non-conformities. We have more than 16 social responsibility programs, which involve employees, family members, and their communities, as well as volunteering to keep Greenbrier's philanthropic activities in the community. The earthquakes have marked our country, but have also given us the opportunity to show how great we are when we are together. We have not hesitated and will never hesitate to support our communities in need. Our teams in Ciudad Sahagún, Tlaxcala, and Monclova got together to send rescue brigades and food, which undoubtedly reached those who needed it the most. All these actions make us proud. We know that challenges are and will remain constant, but we are ready to face our present and future. We have evolved our organizational culture. Empower our people allowed us to create the best team, develop capable leaders to provide the best solutions and results. Proof of it is the efficiency in the processes of our Ciudad Sahagún and Tlaxcala plants. All these guidelines define and inspire us to overcome any obstacle. We are confident that our efforts and commitment will continue writing this success story. We will keep growing focused on our operating principles: safety, quality, respect for people, creating trust and cooperation from our employees. We are Greenbrier, Mexico.